with a very academic talk by Professor Bimal Roy and kind of ended with a very interesting practice talk. So everything was in place except one item that was missing, and that was the address by our Honorable Vice Chancellor Maharaj, who could not be present in the morning session, but he has kindly agreed to come to give the valedictory speech. So I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Maharaj, Swami Atmapriyananda Maharaj, to address the gathering.
লেকচারের আগে হাততালি দিলে পরে কি হবে? কোনো কোনো সময় হাততালি দেওয়া হয়, বাহ, বন্ধ হয়ে গেল। ওম সহনা ভবতু সহনৌ ভুনক্তু সহ বীর্যং করবাবহৈ তেজস্বিনাবধীতমস্তু মা বিদ্বিষাবহৈ। Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat. May the Supreme Being protect us both, the teacher and the disciple, by revealing to us the true nature of knowledge. May the Supreme Being protect us both, the teacher and the disciple, by revealing to us the application of the knowledge. May we both, the teacher and the disciple, strive together for the acquisition of knowledge and wisdom. May the knowledge and wisdom that we acquire be effective and illuminative. May there be no disharmony between us. Om, peace, peace, peace. I am very happy to be here to say a few words at the end of this workshop. We started this data analytics program at the postgraduate level with the support of TCS and with the active assistance from the ISI, the Indian Statistical Institute. Professor Bimal Roy, who was the director of the institute, who has been associated with the university for nearly a decade, was mainly instrumental in persuading TCS to have this program run here. And he gave us Professor Aditya Bakshi and many others. And whenever we are in trouble in regard to teachers, we always run to him. And we can boast of perhaps one of the best faculty or one of the best in India. So this program is being run in 4 centers as far as I know at the moment across the country. And we can boast of perhaps the best faculty members. And you must have seen some of them here very active. And Swami Dhyanagammyananda, Swati Prabhu Maharaj, has been the pillar behind this. He has been coordinating, sending mails, solving problems, not the data analytics problems, but the problems of faculty and students. So we thought we should conduct some workshops to create awareness. We had one last time, and very pleasantly we were surprised that the number of people who were eager to come and attend the workshop was very large. So we couldn't accommodate all of them. So we decided that we'll have a follow-up workshop, including those who could not be accommodated, and also those who at a slightly higher level, a research level and beyond, could be interested. So we organized this workshop. Once again, we had an overwhelming response. So I thank all of you, boys and girls, and those who are no longer boys, but even then, everybody looks very boyish. So I thank all of you who have responded positively, and people from the industry who come and interact with the academic people, and the members of the faculty who have been extremely cooperative. In the morning, our Pro-Vice Chancellor, Swami Sarvottomananda, must have briefly talked to you about this university, its genesis, how it came about. This university, as you know, came into existence on paper and on the ground in 2005, early 2005. But this was born in the mind and heart of Swami Vivekananda in July 1902. As you know, Swami Vivekananda passed away in Mahasamadhi on the 4th of July 1902. Coincidentally, this happens to be the American Independence Day. Vivekananda chose this for what purpose we do not know. He had a large number of American following, and 4th of July is celebrated in America as a very important day. And Swami Vivekananda spent most of his time, in his youth, his energies, in America and Europe, from 1893 to 1897. We are now celebrating the 125th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's appearance at Chicago Parliament of Religions. It is very strange that a lecture is being celebrated through centenaries and anniversaries. We celebrate birthdays, we celebrate people who have died, but nobody celebrates a lecture, a 3-minute lecture given by a young man long ago, more than 125 years ago. So this is very remarkable. It shows the power of the man and the power by which he is able to drive people to do something positive. Swami Vivekananda said, I may think it necessary to throw off this body as a worn-out garment,